Let's talk Seint Artist Program. Okay, so it's a program designed for you to sell makeup. I'm an accountant. I did not know what I was getting into. I was like, I'm not ready for this. I can't do this. Being said, ever since starting, I absolutely freaking love it. It's so fun. It's my favorite. I've never been good at makeup, and I'm almost 38, so I've got mature skin happening, okay? Naturally, I was like, who am I to talk about makeup and give tips, okay? But wearing the makeup just boosted my confidence. I absolutely love wearing the Seint makeup, and so sharing that just helped others be like, okay, I want to try this. Sure, why not? Once they tried it and they loved it and they were like, I'm obsessed, I need this makeup. But seriously, it was like, oh my God, I love the high that this gives me. Feels so good. May not have been the best wording. Anyway, in the beginning, I did it for fun. Now I do it because I absolutely love the confidence.